she's changing. Look, this is so cool. It looks like she still has something on her face though. So we need to get some more water up there. Look, the water turned pink. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Whoa, Rapunzel. I'm gonna clean her off. We got her. Look how beautiful she is. Rapunzel and Tiana are my two favorite Disney princesses.
And open.
Okay, we opened up a blind bag. Oh, look, it's Pascal's skirt. Cute. I put it on Rapunzel. Let's open up another blind bag, another pink one. Oh, look, it's her instrument. And then we got her crown and a ring. Let's open up our last one. What is this? Pascal! He's my favorite. That was so adorably fun.